Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, he tried it.
Aside from incorporating the papers, meron pa ba ho, for Hongsheng and Zunyuan, meron pa ho kayong ibang ginawa na services for them? For example, uh, SSS, or...
Ay, wala na po, sir.
So,
It's basically, ano lang po, sa Zunyo 1, SEC Incorporation, at saka yung BIR registration.
okay. I heard you earlier that meron kayong PAGCOR application.
Ang requirements po kasi ng yung ganyang